Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I would like to show you how to reset a maintenance light on a 2022 Toyota VENZA after we changing 4.5 liter of 016 and an oil filter. Now we get inside the vehicle. So on the steering wheel you can see on the left side there's up and down, left and right arrow, and OK in the center, and this one for going back. So we click on this going back for that maintenance to go away. Okay, use the down arrow to bring it down to the wheel like a setting, and use the right arrow, just keep bring it all the way to the right, just keep going until you see the vehicle and the wheel on top like a setting, and click OK. Hold the OK, sorry, and yeah, now so you can use the down arrow to bring it down to schedule maintenance, and push OK to reset. So push OK, and yeah, so it's asking you, and now bring the bar, the color, highlight up to yes, and click OK again. Now schedule maintenance reset complete. Yeah, so just like that. Now we can use the back arrow to bring it back, and you can go all the way up to speed odometer, like digital speed odometer, or wherever you like. So that's it. Yeah, it's very easy and simple. So I hope this video helped. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.